We were impacted in certain of the developing markets like Indonesia and the Philippines, where daily consumption reduced because people have daily salaries. So when they don't have daily jobs because of the restrictions, clearly consumption is depressed. And obviously, an important part of the business, that is duty-free sales, due to the lack of traveling, was impacted. So if all these come together over the next 6 to 12 months, I think we will see an overall recovery of the business, but we can't precisely say when.
Meantime, a report crossing this week that the Biden administration is considering mandating that cigarette makers reduce nicotine levels in their products to non-addictive levels. Here's what the Phillip Morris CEO, who doesn't sell cigarettes in the U.S., had to say about that.
I think this is something we will have to look at over a long-term horizon, because if you do it too early, like any abrupt measure, you may have unintended consequences like illicit trade. And I want to remind everybody that the problem of cigarettes is not nicotine. Yes, nicotine is addictive. So if cigarettes have much lower levels of nicotine, they are still at the very high risk of morbidity and mortality because you still have combustion. So our view has always been, as I explained to you as well, that alternatives must be authorized and made available. I think with the right measures, first demand side measures, then what we're discussing here, supply side, we can phase out cigarettes in 10 to 15 years in many, many countries. And I don't see why the US should be an exception.
Phasing out cigarettes. And finally, today is 4/20, so I had to ask him about any plans for the cannabis industry like we've seen his competitors invest in.
Clearly, there are two routes to cannabis products. The one is pure pharmaceutical products that have therapeutical claims and go through the FDA or other agency process. And then we have products that, like CBD, where we are evaluating their efficacy and also their toxicity, because clearly CBD is not zero toxicity product. So we have to know what is the right, dose to have efficacy without creating toxicity. And we are doing this evaluation. So I think it's premature for us to pronounce for a non-pharmaceutical product whether we will enter the category or not.
So he's not going there into cannabis like we've seen with, for instance, Altria, a sister company here in the U.S. investing in Cronos or British American Tobacco. Wilford, the story with Phillip Morris International is IQOS. This is their device that they make that heats tobacco but doesn't burn it, which is why he made the distinction on combustion. And it is portrayed by regulators and, of course, by the companies themselves as a healthier, as a better alternative to smoking cigarettes, which is why he's comfortable saying they're going to phase out cigarettes, and also why he's trying to paint Phillip Morris as an ESG play. They're holding an ESG webinar for analysts and investors, which you would think is totally antithetical, and most investors would say, Phillip Morris, ESG, but he's trying to make the case that they are trying to do better here and put in place friendlier initiatives for the environment and also for public health.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.